quick laundry room inspection can help prevent costly water damage. So here's a quick checklist of what to look out for. First off, know how to turn off the water to your house. This always comes in handy for any water emergency, and you'll typically find the main shutoff valve in the front of your home right near the street. Then check the hoses behind the washing machine and make sure they're connected properly and that they're in good condition. When you run your washing machine, look around the hoses for any leaks. These are a pain point when it comes to water damage. Then inspect the base of your washing machine while it's running and make sure it's not leaking. A drain pan is a handy tool to catch any drips and leaks. And finally, for front-loading machines, make sure to check the seal around the door and the auto lock if your machine has one. Remember, a lot of water goes through these machines, so it's always a good idea to check them often. For more information and other safety tips, be sure to check out our other videos.